Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to download Ubuntu 25.04 ISO file. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open any browser, search for Ubuntu and open the link from ubuntu.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide the link in the description box. Now to download Ubuntu 25.04, simply click on Product tab. Here click on Ubuntu for desktop, click on download Ubuntu desktop, and here we have the Ubuntu download page. Simply scroll down and here you'll find Ubuntu 25.04, and here we have two download options. One is for Intel and AMD processor and another one is for ARM based processor. If you don't know which processor you are using, then simply right click on Start button, open Settings, click on System, then click on About. Here under Device Specification, look for Processor. Here you can see I'm using AMD processor. So I'll download the AMD version of Ubuntu 25.04. Here you can see it is downloading. It is around 6 GB. So it will take some time to download. Wait for the download process to complete. Once the download has been completed, you can use this ISO file to create bootable pen drive, or you can use this ISO file to install Ubuntu operating system on Windows 11 using VirtualBox. So I have video tutorial on this topic, so I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. So that's it. This is how you can download the latest Ubuntu 25.04 ISO file. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.